In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Appy Marketplace. This quick walkthrough will help you update your marketplace's regional settings so it aligns with where you operate and the customers you serve. Changing the country can influence things like default address formats and region-specific behavior in your store, so it's worth doing carefully. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Appy account portal. Sign in, and from your main dashboard, navigate to the Builder area. This is where you manage the components of your app. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. Layouts can vary slightly, but the Builder label will be visible on the main navigation. Inside Builder, look for the Manage option. Click it to open management tools for your apps. From here, choose your Store app. This takes you into the app level controls so you can adjust settings specific to your marketplace experience. Next, select Manage App for the store you want to edit. On the Apps Management page, locate and open the Multi-Vendor Marketplace module. If your plan includes marketplace features, this module will be available and will contain all the configuration options for your sellers and storefront. Once the module loads, focus on the left sidebar. This is your primary navigation area inside the marketplace settings. Click Settings in the left sidebar to open the configuration panel. Settings can include multiple sections, so give the page a moment to load and then scroll down until you find the country field. It might be grouped with other general or regional options. When you see country, click the drop-down to reveal the available regions. Select the region that matches where your marketplace will primarily operate. Choose carefully, especially if your fulfillment partners, tax rules, or shipping policies depend on your selected country. If you serve multiple countries, pick the primary one that aligns with your operational base or the majority of your customers. Once you've made your selection, take a quick moment to review the page to ensure everything looks correct. Some related fields may reflect your change, and it's best to confirm the setting before finalizing. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the update. Watch for a confirmation message or a brief indicator that your changes were saved successfully. That's it, you've updated the country for your Appy multi-vendor marketplace. This small change helps keep your storefront consistent with regional expectations and can reduce friction for your shoppers. If you don't see the change right away in your preview, allow a moment for the settings to propagate. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to continue building a localized, customer-friendly marketplace.